Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about the real names, dates of birth and birthplaces of 100 WWE wrestlers. We will also tell you how long each wrestler has been in the industry. This video is packed with information, so make sure to watch it all the way through. Number 1. Gunther. Gunther's real name is Walter Hahn. He was born on August 20, 1987 in Vienna, Austria. As of 2024, Gunther is 36 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 18 years. Number 2. Drew McIntyre. Drew McIntyre's real name is Andrew McLean Chloe Ivy. He was born on June 6, 1985 in Ayr, United Kingdom. As of 2024, Drew McIntyre is 39 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 23 years. Number 3. Braun Strowman. Braun Strowman's real name is Adam Joseph Scherr. He was born on September 6, 1983 in Charlottesville, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, Braun Strowman is 40 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 9 years. Number 4. Damian Priest. Damian Priest's real name is Luis Martinez. He was born on September 26, 1982 in New York, United States. As of 2024, Damian Priest is 41 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 20 years. Number 5. Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins' real name is Colby Daniel Lopez. He was born on May 28, 1986 in Davenport, Iowa, United States. As of 2024, Seth Rollins is 38 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 20 years. Number 6. Triple H. Triple H's real name is Paul Michael Lewis. He was born on July 27, 1969 in Nashua, New Hampshire, United States. As of 2024, Triple H is 55 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 30 years. Number 7. LA Knight. LA Knight's real name is Sean Edward Ricker. He was born on November 1, 1982 in Hagerstown, Maryland, United States. As of 2024, LA Knight is 41 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 22 years. Number 8. CM Punk. CM Punk's real name is Cliff Jericho. He was born on October 26, 1978 in Chicago, Illinois, United States. As of 2024, CM Punk is 45 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 25 years. Number 9. Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio's real name is Oscar Gutierrez Rubio. He was born on December 11, 1974 in Chula Vista, California, United States. As of 2024, Rey Mysterio is 49 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 35 years. Number 10. Jey Uso. Jey Uso's real name is Joshua Samuel Fatu. He was born on August 22, 1985 in San Francisco, California, United States. As of 2024, Jey Uso is 38 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 17 years. Number 11. Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns' real name is Leti Joseph Anoa. He was born on May 25, 1985 in Pensacola, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Roman Reigns is 39 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 13 years. Number 12. Solo Sikoa. Solo Sikoa's real name is Joseph Yokozuna Fatu. He was born on March 18, 1993 in Sacramento, California, United States. As of 2024, Solo Sikoa is 31 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 6 years. Number 13. The Undertaker. The Undertaker's real name is Mark William Calloway. He was born on March 24, 1965 in Houston, Texas, United States. As of 2024, The Undertaker is 59 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 33 years. Number 14. Batista. Batista's real name is David Michael Batista Jr. He was born on January 18, 1969 in Washington, D.C., United States. As of 2024, Batista is 55 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 19 years. Number 15. Bray Wyatt. Bray Wyatt's real name was Wyndham Lawrence Rotunda. He was born on May 23, 1987 in Brooksville, Florida, United States and tragically passed away on August 24, 2023. Bray Wyatt was 36 years old at the time of his death and had worked in the WWE wrestling industry for 14 years. Number 16. Jimmy Uso. Jimmy Uso's real name is Jonathan Solofafatu. He was born on August 22, 1985 in San Francisco, California, United States. As of 2024, Jimmy Uso is 38 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 17 years. Number 17. R-Truth. R-Truth's real name is Ronnie Aaron Klings. He was born on January 19, 1972 in Charlotte, North Carolina, United States. As of 2024, R-Truth is 52 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 27 years. Number 18. The Miz. The Miz's real name is Michael Gregory Mizanin. He was born on October 8, 1980 in Parma, Ohio, United States. As of 2024, The Miz is 43 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 21 years. Number 19. Bobby Lashley. Bobby Lashley's real name is Franklin Roberto Lashley. He was born on July 16, 1976 in Junction City, Kansas, United States. As of 2024, Bobby Lashley is 48 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 25 years. Number 20. Montez Ford. Montez Ford's real name is Kenneth Crawford. He was born on May 31, 1990 in Chicago, Illinois, United States. As of 2024, Montez Ford is 34 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 8 years. Number 21. AJ Styles. AJ Styles, whose real name is Alan Neil Jones, was born on June 2, 1977 in Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, United States. In 2024, AJ Styles is 47 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 25 years. Number 22. Sheamus. Sheamus, born Stephen Farrelly, entered the world on January 28, 1978 in Cabra Island. As of 2024, Sheamus is 46 years old and has dedicated 22 years to the wrestling industry. Number 23. Finn Balor. Finn Balor's real name is Trigger David. He was born on July 25, 1981 in Bray, Ireland. In 2024, Finn Balor is 43 years old and has spent 22 years in the wrestling industry. Number 24. Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan, whose real name is Danny Jan Bolia, was born on August 11, 1953 in Augusta, Georgia, United States. By 2024, Hulk Hogan is 70 years old and has been part of the wrestling industry for 34 years. Number 25. Ric Flair. Ric Flair, born Richard Morgan Flair, came into the world on February 25, 1949 in Memphis, Tennessee, United States. In 2024, Ric Flair is 75 years old and has an impressive 49 years in the wrestling industry. Number 26. Mick Foley. Mick Foley, whose full name is Michael Mick Francis Foley, was born on June 7, 1965 in Bloomington, Indiana, United States. As of 2024, Mick Foley is 59 years old and has been involved in the wrestling industry for 29 years. Number 27. Eddie Guerrero. Eddie Guerrero, whose real name was Eduardo Gory Guerrero Illanius, was born on October 9, 1967 in El Paso, Texas, United States. He passed away on November 13, 2005 at the age of 38. Eddie Guerrero worked in the WWE for 19 years. Number 28. Daniel Bryan. Daniel Bryan, born Bryan Lloyd Danielson, was born on May 22, 1981 in Aberdeen, Washington, United States. In 2024, Daniel Bryan is 43 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 24 years. Number 29. Sting. Sting, whose real name is Steve Gordon, was born on March 20, 1959 in Omaha, Nebraska, United States. By 2024, Sting is 65 years old and has spent 38 years in the wrestling industry. Number 30. Goldberg. Goldberg, whose real name is William Scott Goldberg, was born on December 27, 1966 in Tulsa, Oklahoma, United States. In 2024, Goldberg is 57 years old and has been part of the wrestling industry for 27 years. Number 31. Bron Breakker. Bron Breakker, born Bronson Rich Steiner, was born on October 24, 1997 in Woodstock, Georgia, United States. As of 2024, Braun Breaker is 26 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 3 years. Number 32, Sami Zayn. Sami Zayn, whose real name is Ramy Sibai, was born on July 12, 1984 in Laval, Canada. In 2024, Sami Zayn is 40 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 22 years. Number 33, Booker T. Booker T, whose real name is Booker T. Huffman Jr., was born on March 1, 1965 in Glendale, Louisiana, United States. In 2024, Booker T is 59 years old and has been spent 23 years in the wrestling industry. Number 34, Tama Tonga. Tama Tonga born Alipet Eloigio Leone was born on October 15, 1982 in Nuku'alofa, Tonga. As of 2024, Tama Tonga is 41 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 15 years. Number 35, John Cena. John Cena, whose real name is John Flex Anthony Cena, was born on April 23, 1977 in West Newbury, Massachusetts, United States. In 2024, John Cena is 47 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 24 years. Number 36, Chris Benoit. Chris Benoit, whose real name was Christopher Michael Benoit, was born on May 21, 1967 in Montreal, Canada. He passed away on June 24, 2007 at the age of 40. Chris Benoit worked in the WWE for 21 years. Number 37, the British Bulldog. The British Bulldog, whose real name was David Sims, was born on November 27, 1962 in Goulburn, United Kingdom. He passed away on May 18, 2002 at the age of 39. The British Bulldog worked in the WWE for 24 years. Number 38, The Ultimate Warrior. The Ultimate Warrior, whose real name was Warrior, was born on June 16, 1959 in Crawfordsville, Indiana, United States. He passed away on April 8, 2014 at the age of 54. The Ultimate Warrior worked in the WWE for 23 years. Number 39, Randy Savage. Randy Savage, whose real name was Randy Mario Poffo, was born on November 15, 1952 in Columbus, Ohio, United States. He passed away on May 20, 2011 at the age of 58. Randy Savage worked in the WWE for 27 years. Number 40, Big Boss Man. Big Boss Man, whose real name was Ray Washington Traylor Jr., was born on November 15, 1952 in Marietta, Georgia, United States. He passed away on September 22, 2004 at the age of 41. Big Boss Man worked in the WWE for 19 years. Number 41, Ted DiBiase. Ted DiBiase, whose full name is Theodore Marvin Ted DiBiase Sr., was born on January 18, 1954 in Omaha, Nebraska, United States. As of 2024, Ted DiBiase is 70 years old and has spent 19 years in the wrestling industry. Number 42, Bam Bam Bigelow. Bam Bam Bigelow, whose real name was Scott Charles Bigelow, was born on September 1, 1961 in Mount Laurel Township, New Jersey, United States. He passed away on January 19, 2007 at the age of 45. Bam Bam Bigelow worked in the WWE for 21 years. Number 43, Chris Jericho. Chris Jericho, whose real name is Christopher Keith Irwin, was born on November 9, 1970 in Manhasset, New York, United States. In 2024, Chris Jericho is 53 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 33 years. Number 44, Goldust. Goldust, whose real name is Dustin Patrick Runnels, was born on April 11, 1969 in Dallas, Texas, United States. As of 2024, Goldust is 55 years old and has spent 35 years in the wrestling industry. Number 45, Big Show. Big Show, whose real name is Paul Donald Witt, was born on February 8, 1972 in Aiken, South Carolina, United States. In 2024, Big Show is 52 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 30 years. Number 46, The Great Khali. The Great Khali, whose real name is Dalip Singh Rana, was born on August 27, 1972 in the Raina, India. As of 2024, The Great Khali is 51 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 18 years. Number 47, Jinder Mahal. Jinder Mahal, whose real name is Yuvraj Singh Desi, was born on July 19, 1986 in Calgary, Canada. In 2024, Jinder Mahal is 38 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 22 years. Number 48, Randy Orton. Randy Orton, whose full name is Randall Keith Orton, was born on April 1, 1980 in Knoxville, Tennessee, United States. In 2024, Randy Orton is 44 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 25 years. Number 49, Bo Dallas. Bo Dallas, whose real name is Taylor Michael Rotunda, was born on May 25, 1990 in Brooksville, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Bo Dallas is 34 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 16 years. Number 50, Grayson Waller. Grayson Waller, whose real name is Matthew Farrelly, was born on March 21, 1990 in Sydney, Australia. As of 2024, Grayson Waller is 34 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 7 years. Number 51, Carmelo Hayes. Carmelo Hayes' real name is Christian Brigham. He was born on August 1, 1994 in Framingham, Massachusetts, United States. As of 2024, Carmelo Hayes is 29 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 10 years. Number 52, Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens' real name is Kevin Yannick Steen. He was born on May 7, 1984 in Saint Jean, Sur-Richelieu, Canada. As of 2024, Kevin Owens is 40 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 24 years. Number 53, Otis. Otis' real name is Richard Young. He was born on May 12, 1975 in Phoenix, Arizona, United States. As of 2024, Otis is 49 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 7 years. Number 54, Omos. Omos' real name is Tolulolop Jordan. He was born on May 16, 1994 in Lagos, Nigeria. As of 2024, Omos is 30 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 5 years. Number 55, Kane. Kane's real name is Clint Thomas Jacob. He was born on April 26, 1967 in Torrejon de Ardoz, Spain. As of 2024, Kane is 57 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 32 years. Number 56, Alberto Del Rio. Alberto Del Rio's real name is Jose Alberto Rodriguez Chucron. He was born on May 25, 1977 in San Luis Potosi, Mexico. As of 2024, Alberto Del Rio is 47 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 23 years. Number 57, Dolph Ziggler. Dolph Ziggler's real name is Nicholas Theodore Nimitz. He was born on July 27, 1980 in Cleveland, Ohio, United States. As of 2024, Dolph Ziggler is 44 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 19 years. Number 58, Neville. Neville's real name is Benjamin Starley. He was born on August 22, 1986 in Newcastle upon Tyne, United Kingdom. As of 2024, Neville is 37 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 20 years. Number 59, Cesaro. Cesaro's real name is Claudio Castagnoli. He was born on December 27, 1980 in Lucerne, Switzerland. As of 2024, Cesaro is 43 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 23 years. Number 60, Christian Cage. Christian Cage's real name is William Jason Reso. He was born on November 30, 1973 in Kitchener, Canada. As of 2024, Christian Cage is 50 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 29 years. Number 61, Jason Jordan. Jason Jordan's real name is Nathan Everhart. He was born on September 28, 1988 in Chicago, Illinois, United States. As of 2024, Jason Jordan is 35 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 7 years. Number 62, Bronson Reed. Bronson Reed's real name is Jermaine Halley. He was born on August 25, 1988 in Adelaide, Australia. As of 2024, Bronson Reed is 35 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 17 years. Number 63, Chad Gable. Chad Gable's real name is Charles Edward Bett. He was born on March 8, 1986 in Minneapolis, Minnesota, United States. As of 2024, Chad Gable is 38 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 20 years. Number 64, Ivar. Ivar's real name is Todd James Smith. He was born on March 3, 1984 in Lynn, Massachusetts, United States. As of 2024, Ivar is 40 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 22 years. Number 65, Ilja Dragunov. Ilja Dragunov's real name is Ilja Rokobar. He was born on October 10, 1993 in Moscow, Russia. As of 2024, Ilja Dragunov is 30 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 12 years. Number 66, Kofi Kingston. Kofi Kingston's real name is Kofi Nahaji Sarkodie Mensah. He was born on August 14, 1981 in Kumasi, Ghana. As of 2024, Kofi Kingston is 40 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 19 years. Number 67, Big E. Big E's real name is Ettore Evan. He was born on March 1, 1986 in Tampa, Florida, United States. As of 2024, Big E is 38 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 14 years. Number 68, Xavier Woods. Xavier Woods' real name is Austin Watson. He was born on September 4, 1986 in Columbus, Georgia, United States. As of 2024, Xavier Woods is 37 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 19 years. Number 69, Rusev. Rusev's real name is Miroslav Petrov Barniashev. He was born on December 25, 1985 in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. As of 2024, Rusev is 38 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 15 years. Number 70, Ludwig Kaiser. Ludwig Kaiser's real name is Marcel Bartel. He was born on July 8, 1990 in Pinburg, Germany. As of 2024, Ludwig Kaiser is 34 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 16 years. Number 71, Karrion Kross. Karrion Kross' real name is Kevin Kazar. He was born on July 19, 1985 in New York, United States. As of 2024, Karrion Kross is 39 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 10 years. Number 72, Braun Corbin. Braun Corbin's real name is Thomas Pestuk. He was born on September 13, 1984 in Lenox, Kansas, United States. As of 2024, Braun Corbin is 39 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 12 years. Number 73, MPV. MPV's real name is Walter Hassan Assad. He was born on October 28, 1973 in Miami, Florida, United States. As of 2024, MPV is 50 years old and has been working in the wrestling industry for 25 years. Number 74, Mike Awesome. Mike Awesome's real name was Michael Lee Alfonso. He was born on January 24, 1965 in Tampa, Florida, United States. On February 17, 2007, Mike Awesome passed away at the age of 42. He had worked in the WWE wrestling company for 17 years. Number 75, Rhino. Rhino's real name is Terrence Guido Green. He was born on October 7, 1975 in Detroit, Michigan, United States. As of 2024, Rhino is 48 years old and has been in the wrestling industry for 29 years. Number 76, Jack Swagger. Jack Swagger's real name is Donald Jacob Hager Jr. Jack Swagger was born on March 24, 1982 in Fargo, North Dakota, United States. As of 2024, Jack Swagger is 42 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 17 years. Number 77, Santino Marella. Santino Marella's real name is Anthony Carelli. Santino Marella was born on March 14, 1974 in Mississauga, Canada. As of 2024, Santino Marella is 50 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 21 years. Number 78, Kevin Nash. Kevin Nash's real name is Kevin Scott Nash. Kevin Nash was born on July 9, 1959 in Detroit, Michigan, United States. As of 2024, Kevin Nash is 65 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 28 years. Number 79, Rikishi. Rikishi's real name is Solofa Fato Jr. Rikishi was born on October 11, 1965 in San Francisco, California, United States. As of 2024, Rikishi is 58 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 34 years. Number 80, Vizcarra. Vizcarra's real name was Nelson Frazier Jr. Vizcarra was born on February 14, 1971 in Goldsboro, North Carolina, United States and passed away on February 18, 2014. At the time of his death, Vizcarra was 43 years old. He worked in the WWE for 22 years. Number 81, Omega. Omega's real name was Edward Smith Patu. Omega was born on March 28, 1973 in American Samoa and passed away on December 4, 2009. At the time of his death, Omega was 36 years old. He worked in the WWE company for 14 years. Number 82, Scott Hall. Scott Hall's real name was Scott Oliver Hall. Scott Hall was born on October 20, 1958 in St. Mary's County, Maryland, United States and passed away on March 14, 2022. At the time of his death, Scott Hall was 63 years old. He worked in the WWE for 25 years. Number 83, Bob Orton. Bob Orton's real name is Robert Cat Orton Jr. Bob Orton was born on November 10, 1950 in Kansas City, Missouri, United States. As of 2024, Bob Orton is 73 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 52 years. Number 84, Jim Neidhart. Jim Neidhart's real name was James Henry Neidhart. Jim Neidhart was born on February 8, 1955 in Montpellier, California, United States and passed away on August 13, 2018. At the time of his death, Jim Neidhart was 63 years old. He worked in WWE for 53 years. Number 85, Rick Rude. Rick Rude's real name was Richard Irwin Rude. Rick Rude was born on December 7, 1958 in St. Peter, Minnesota, United States and passed away on April 20, 1999. At the time of his death, Rick Rude was 45 years old. He worked in WWE for 12 years. Number 86, Dusty Rhodes. Dusty Rhodes' real name was Virgil Ray Runnels Jr. Dusty Rhodes was born on October 1945 in Austin, Texas, United States and passed away on June 11, 2015. At the time of his death, Dusty Rhodes was 69 years old. He worked in the WWE for 40 years. Number 87, William Regal. William Regal's real name is Darren Kenneth Matthews. William Regal was born on May 10, 1968 in Coastal United Kingdom. As of 2024, William Regal is 56 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 30 years. Number 88, The Boogeyman. The Boogeyman's real name is Martin Ritt. The Boogeyman was born on July 15, 1964 in Phoenix, Arizona, United States. As of 2024, The Boogeyman is 60 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 19 years. Number 89, Tyson Kidd. Tyson Kidd's real name is Theodore James T.J. Wilson. Tyson Kidd was born on July 11, 1980 in Calgary, Canada. As of 2024, Tyson Kidd is 44 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 16 years. Number 19, Zack Ryder. Zack Ryder's real name is Matthew Brad Cardona. Zack Ryder was born on May 14, 1985 in Merrick, New York, United States. As of 2024, Zack Ryder is 39 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 20 years. Number 91, Kalisto. Kalisto's real name is Emmanuel Alejandro Rodriguez. Kalisto was born on November 14, 1986 in Chicago, Illinois, United States. As of 2024, Kalisto is 37 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 18 years. Number 92, Wade Barrett. Wade Barrett's real name is Stuart Alexander Bennett. Wade Barrett was born on August 10, 1980 in Pancurtum, United Kingdom. As of 2024, Wade Barrett is 43 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 21 years. Number 93, Corey Graves. Corey Graves' real name is Matthew Polinsky. Corey Graves was born on February 24, 1984 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, United States. As of 2024, Corey Graves is 40 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 14 years. Number 94, Iron Sheikh. Iron Sheikh's real name was Hussein Khosrow Ali Waziri. Iron Sheikh was born on March 15, 1942 in Damghan, Iran and passed away on June 7, 1923. At the time of his death, Iron Sheikh was 81 years old. He worked in the WWE for 27 years. Number 95. Carlito. Carlito's real name is Carlos Edwin Colin Coates Jr. Carlito was born on February 21, 1979 in Santurce, Puerto Rico. As of 2024, Carlito is 45 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 24 years. Number 96. Big Van Vader. Big Van Vader's real name was Scott Leon Allen White. Big Van Vader was born on May 14, 1955 in Landwood, California, United States and passed away on June 18, 2018. At the time of his death, Big Van Vader was 63 years old. He worked in the WWE for 32 years. Number 97. Pat McAfee. Pat McAfee's real name is Patrick Justin McAfee. Pat McAfee was born on May 2, 1987 in Plum, Pennsylvania, United States. As of 2024, Pat McAfee is 37 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 3 years. Number 98. Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar's real name is Brock Edward Lesnar. Brock Lesnar was born on July 12, 1977 in Webster, South Dakota, United States. As of 2024, Brock Lesnar is 47 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 23 years. Number 99. The Rock. The Rock's real name is Dwayne Douglas Johnson. The Rock was born on May 2, 1972 in Hayward, California, United States. As of 2024, The Rock is 52 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 20 years. Number 100. Dean Ambrose. Dean Ambrose's real name is Jonathan David Good. Dean Ambrose was born on December 7, 1985 in Cincinnati, Ohio, United States. As of 2024, Dean Ambrose is 38 years old. He has been working in the wrestling industry for 20 years.